The 2003 ES300. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, clock, fog lights, power door locks, power brakes, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.